As you can see here in the picture, that the patient is in the, she's lying upside down, and you should be facing the ground, your head should be facing the ground. And here, as you can see, these red lines are the straps that are placed on the women so that she doesn't move during the procedure. And the green color part is the fibroid. And here, as you can see here, this is the MRI bed, right? So she's sleeping on the MRI bed or on the MRI, the trolley, and then she's taken inside, and then she's strapped down. This is the fibroid. First, they will be passing an MRI image where they will be locating where the fibroid is, and after location of the fibroid, the precise measurement of the fibroid. Here, as you can see, this blue color beam, right? You can see this blue beam, and this is focused ultrasound waves. They will be focusing it on the fibroid itself, where they will produce a lot of heat and it will undergo coagulative necrosis or coagulation as such, wherein the fibroid will start to shrink. This is the procedure of MRI. It can take up to 2 to 3 hours for this whole process to be done. So this is the procedure of MR HIFU. Please remember that if you're having more number of fibroids, if you're having fibroids more than 5, if your fibroid size is really large, it might take a lot of time period for this procedure to be performed. And not only that, remember the precision rate will decrease as the fibroid size increases and also the number of fibroids increases. This whole procedure for one fibroid removal can take 2 to 3 hours. You have to remember that time period also. But even though we have a longer time period for the surgery or for this non-invasive procedure, the downtime or the recovery time is very less. That means you can be an outpatient, you can get this procedure done and you can go home right away. But people or patients who are very anxious after this procedure or who are feeling dizzy after this procedure, who are just feeling not well after this procedure, can stay in the hospital or the area where they have been assigned to, but usually it is not necessary. So this is the whole process of MR HIFU. Now let us look into the benefits of MR HIFU for fibroid removal. The first thing which is very beneficial is because it's a non-invasive surgery. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to place any instruments on the body. You don't have to cut the body, do a puncture in the body. You don't have to insert any hand probes or cameras inside the body. So it's non-invasive, it's utterly safe, and also people who are anxious about surgery can get it done. So that's something good. And you can be an outpatient, you can get the procedure done and you can get home. So that's also very easy, and also the downtime or the recovery time after MR HIFU is very, very less compared to other things like RFA, UAE, myomectomy or hysterectomy. And there can be precise targeting. Remember, MRI is much more precise than USG scan. So USG guided myolysis or USG guided laparoscopic techniques. More than that, MR HIFU can be more precise compared to all of them. So that's something which is very beneficial. And also symptoms, whatever fibroid symptoms that you're experiencing, it can be prolonged bleeding or menstruation problems, urinary tract problems, bowel problems because of pressure symptoms. All of this can be, decreased. Apart from that, it is safe to, the procedures is utterly safe because there is no problem of infection or problem of not using sterile things and all of that stuff. So post-surgical problems, whatever that are arising, it will not be arising in MR HIFU. So these are some of the benefits of MR HIFU. If you're someone who is suffering from fibroids, endometriosis, adenomyosis, pregnancy problems, abortions, miscarriages, or PCOS, bulky uterus, dysmenorrhea, any sort of female reproductive organ diseases, Fideicus Homeopathy is the answer. Here at Fideicus Homeopathy, we have two types of consultation options. One is online consultation, the other one is offline consultation or the in-person consultation. If you're someone who's staying nearby the nearest branch of Fideicus, you can come and contact us in person. But if you're someone who's staying far away, you can contact us online. We have two options, audio as well as video consultation options. And after the case has been taken, we will be asking you for certain investigations. If you have those investigations, you can share it with us. And after the whole procedure is done, especially to the online clients, our medicine will be delivered to your doorstep. It can take 3 to 4 business days. Remember, business days. It can take 3 to 4 business days for people who are staying in India, 3 to 5 business days for people who are staying in USA, and across the globe it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you would like to get in touch with us, you can call us on this number, WhatsApp us or messages or in this number, and our team will get back to you. And if you would like to know more about Fiticus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fiticus.com. If you're someone who's suffering from fibroids or any other female reproductive organ diseases, remember why we have discussed homeopathy is much better off than allopathic form of treatment. And also, why should you choose Fiticus Homeopathy in all of these, apart from other homeopathic doctors or institutions as such. Fiticus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. We have very high success rate in treating these female reproductive organ diseases, be it fibroids, endometriosis, be it adenomyosis, PCODs, bulky uteruses, dysmenorias, or frequent miscarriages. So we have very high success rate in treating these diseases. Apart from that, we have transparent treatment, which means there is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. Everything will be discussed to you, and also the prognosis of your case will be discussed to you. And also the personal care here at Fiticus Homeopathy is top notch, because we will be answering you all of your queries. We will address your situation to you and explain it to you. If you want to choose health, if you want to choose cure, choose Fiticus Homeopathy. Thank you.